cameras. Yeah, it normally take about 30 days for to be completely detoxed. It sucks because every time I get cleared up, then we leave. It sounds like if we don't get the date July 28th, then we probably won't see it happen for a couple years.
Did you hear this on Facebook? They call it, they don't even know the name of it. They call it the Crypto Act or something.
Mm-hmm.
And they're all against it. You know, somebody's putting it out, it's bad, we can't do it and all that. And they don't even know what it is. Did you see that on Facebook?
No. So that was the water system there. We got the security cams there, surveillance, solar power. I think I did this in one of my last videos. I'm not going to disclose all the spots because there are other hidden cameras throughout the property for people's safety and security protection. As well, you know, the dogs barking. So we're putting got the moringa, see this is my moringa breakfast right here, and a sausage. Rained really hardcore last night, if you saw that last video. What do you call it? So, putting the air conditioner, this is the second air conditioner, which basically both of them running together would cool the entire house. So, anyway, go check out Katrina Logunova's videos. Katushka. I'm going to be doing some work out here. And, you know, subscribe to her exclusive material, stuff like that. It's only 9 cents a month or whatever. If we get everybody on that, it would be great. So we're doing some progress, some work out here today. Got a lot to do. And stuff like that. Check out my shirt. You can see that. Alright, take care of yourself, fucktards.